So this is a fake iPhone 8 Plus which I'll be unboxing very soon, and I'll also let you know the difference between the fake and the original iPhone. So without wasting much time here, let's jump to the video now. When you take a look at this box, you can see the box looks exactly the same as the original iPhone box. And not to waste time, let's go ahead and open it. So I'll open it. Inside this, you should find some manual and I think other papers and some Apple stickers. If you don't find Apple stickers in this, then you need to watch out. So let me put this back inside and put it aside for now. So next thing we have here is the device, which comes in this rubber bubble packaging. This is also another huge red flag you need to check out, because you never find any Apple device being packaged like this. Just look at the back of the device. Wow, this looks very real. Chances of you getting scammed is very high. The next thing in the box is the charging adapter, and try shaking the charging adapter to see if it makes some kind of noise. If it does make some kind of noise, then you should know it's fake. And we have here the headphones also, so I'll take it out. This doesn't feel real. When I shake the headphones, I do hear some sound in it. Inside the box, they also added the lightning cable, but I had to take it off so I'll be able to charge the device. That's why you are not seeing it in the box. Before we get into knowing the difference between the original and fake, even just looking at the design, if you don't take time, the design itself can deceive you. Just looking at the sides, the finish at the back and everything, you can see if you don't take time, this will deceive you. So the first thing I'd like you to check out is the charging port. I have here my iPad and let's compare this side by side. So you can see on the iPad the charging port comes outside. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say, but when you look closely at the fake iPhone 8 Plus, you can see the charger is inside, the charging port is inside. So this is one thing to know the difference between the fake and the original. Even looking at the speaker grill, when you take a look at the speaker grill on the fake iPhone 8 Plus, you can see the breadboard of the device, but when you take a look at the iPad's own, you can see it's covered with something. So that's another thing you can also check out. The second thing you can do to also check if the device is fake or not is you turn on the device. So on a fake device, when you turn the device on, there's no setup. But on the original device, when you turn the device on, it will ask you to set up the device before you can use. So that's one thing you also need to check out. So on this device, you see once I boot it up, it went straight to the home screen. So this should tell you the device is fake. So after turning it on, I was able to know the device was running on an Android system. This is what I did. I went over to settings, then I tapped on general, then I tapped on accessibility, and I found developer options. So once you see developer options on this, then you should know the device is a fake device, because the original iPhones, there are no developer options in the accessibility. Once you see these features, you should know it's running on Android. Another funny thing, I was roaming in the home screen, so I came across this folder, the extra folder. Then I tapped on it. Then I found Google Play Store, so I tapped on it to see what comes up. And as you can see, it's asking for a Gmail and a password. So this should also tell you the device is fake and it's running on an Android system. If you still don't believe the device is fake, this is another thing you can also check out. So try to do a 3D touch test. So you pull out your control center, or you pull out the control center. Then try long pressing on the screen to see if the 3D touch works. If it doesn't work, then you should know it's a fake device, because on the original iPhone 8 Plus has 3D touch. These are some things you can check out just to confirm if your device is original or fake. If you enjoyed every useful information I shared with you in this video, then please drop a like on it. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have ever bought one of these devices thinking it was original. Share this video to your friends so they can know the difference between the original and the fake iPhone, so they don't get scammed by someone. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.